Hey, let me show you how you can adjust bass on the JBL Flip 7. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the short tests how the passive radiator works with the JBL signature setup and then with my own setup. And after this, I'm just gonna show you how you can set it up. So first of all, the JBL signature, and take a look on the radiator. And now the switch. So as you can see, it's moving much more powerful. The signature, this is the default one, and now mine. So yeah, now you have to just simply open this JBL portable application, go to the custom one and click here to edit. And I can recommend you to put those frequencies on the level 6. The first, the second one, the third one for 4.5, the 1K into 1.5, and the other 3 I will stay with the 0. And in my opinion, this is the best preset if you want to get powerful bass on the JBL Flip 7. So you can set it up on your iOS, on iPhone, on Android, Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, and phones like this. In my opinion, this is the best preset to get really powerful bass on the JBL Flip 7.